Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Spyder IDE directly from its official website. Spyder is a powerful and lightweight Python IDE, perfect for data science, scientific computing, and more. Let's get started. Before we dive into the installation, let's quickly talk about what Spyder is. Spyder is an open-source IDE designed specifically for Python. It comes with features like a code editor, a variable explorer, and an interactive console, making it a favorite among developers and data scientists. Now let's download and install it. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Spyder website, spyderid.io. Once you're on the website, click on the download button at the top of the page. The download should start automatically. Wait for it to complete. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. It should be named something like spyderinstaller.exe. Double-click the installer file to run it. If you see a security warning, click Yes or Run to proceed. The Spyder installation wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You'll be asked whether you want to install Spyder just for yourself or for all users on this computer. Here's the difference. If you choose Just Me, Spyder will only be available for your user account. If you choose All Users, Spyder will be available for everyone who uses this computer. Choose the option that works best for you and click Next. You can choose the installation location and whether to create a desktop shortcut. Once you're ready, click Install. The installation process will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to close the installer. Now that Spyder is installed, let's launch it. If you created a desktop shortcut during installation, you can double-click it to open Spyder. Alternatively, you can search for Spyder in your Start menu and click on it. When Spyder launches for the first time, it might take a few seconds to load. Once it's ready, you'll see the Spyder interface. Let's take a quick look at the Spyder interface. On the left, you have the code editor, where you can write and edit your Python scripts. On the right, you'll find the variable explorer, which lets you inspect and interact with your data. At the bottom, there's the interactive console, where you can run your code and see the output in real time. Spyder is now ready to use. You can start writing and running Python code right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and launched Spyder IDE on your computer. Whether you're working on data analysis, machine learning, or scientific computing, Spyder is a fantastic tool to have in your toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.